Welcome. In this video, I'll show you two ways to install KNIME extensions. All right, so first up, open up the KNIME app. Now, if you don't have it, we do have a separate video for that on how to install KNIME. All right, so in here, once you have it installed, go to the top right and click on menu. Click on it, and we do have install extensions right here. Just click on it and wait for it to load. As you can see here, it is now fetching. Now here we have the extensions, okay? For example, KNIME and extensions right here, when we click on the right arrow key, there'll be a drop down of all of the extensions. All right, for example, we have KNIME Amazon Athena right here, Amazon Cloud Connectors, all right, Azure Cloud Connectors, also deep learning for KRS integration, KNIME H2O, and some of the good stuffs like Python, okay? For example, I will select KNIME Python integration. Also, I would select maybe deep learning KRS, okay? And once that's done, just hit on next. Wait for it as it is calculating. And as you can see here, we have selected 2. So in here, under install details, we have 2 as well. Now, go ahead and hit on next. Accept the terms and hit on finish. It says here, installing software, fetching. Just basically wait for it, okay? And once done, it will require a restart. So go ahead and restart your KNIME app. Okay. Now, another way to install extensions is by going to your web browser. In here, go to KNIME.com and under Community tab, click on Community Hub. Okay. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and look for a specific extension that you would like to download. For example, we have KNIME for Generative AI right here. I'm going to click on it just for you to see. Okay, I'm going to scroll down and select maybe OpenAI Authenticator. Okay, I'm going to click on it. Now in here, as you can see, we have this button. Okay, it says drag and drop. So basically, we're just going to drag and drop. Okay, click and hold. Now drag it onto your KNIME Analytics Platform right here. Drop like so. And wait for the installation process to finish. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.